First of all, let me thank you all for viewing my videos. Today we will talk about AAVE. AAVE is one of the top DeFi coins you should be aware at this point, particularly after its breathtaking 2021. However, presently financial backers are inquiring. What is AAVE generally anticipated to reach? Will it keep on arriving at better upsides in 2022 and then some? Before we profound jump into AAVE's possibilities, how about we recap what AAVE really is? As we as a whole know at this point, 2021 was the greatest year for the crypto market, especially DeFi coins. All in all, what amount might AAVE at some point be worth? Investigate. AAVE, the first crypto lending platform. AAVE is a decentralized money (DeFi) convention that was intended to make it simpler for individuals to loan or get digital currency, explicitly by eliminating the requirement for them to go through a go-between. They portray themselves as a decentralized non-custodial liquidity market convention. In the same way as other DeFi crypto conventions, AAVE was based on the Ethereum network, which makes it an ERC20 token. AAVE likewise has contracts with Polygon, Matic, the Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, FTM, and Avalanche, AVAX, to give some examples. This permits AAVE to handily move around resources and actually makes it a multi-chain digital money. However, based on the Ethereum blockchain, which actually makes AAVE evidence of work, AAVE tokens can in any case be marked on AAVE's foundation. AAVE has a proper absolute inventory of 16 million tokens. Exchange charges are paid to the Ethereum blockchain. Why even bother with AAVE? Clients who loan a piece of their digital currency holds procure interest, while clients who get cryptographic forms of money pay revenue. Loaning cryptographic money through stages like AAVE has become one of the top ways of procuring an automated revenue in the crypto market lately. AAVE sounds surprisingly like other DeFi loaning stages, like Compound or Yearn.finance. However, the convention enjoys a few benefits that assist it with standing apart from the group. A portion of these include: the AAVE stage upholds the loaning and getting of around 20 digital currencies, which is more than a portion of its rivals. A portion of these incorporate Decentraland, Mana, Basic Attention Token, BAT, and Ethereum, ETH. It offers streak advances, which are frequently alluded to as the first uncollateralized credit choice inside the DeFi area. Streak credits, otherwise called SKYROCKET exchanges, permit clients to get and afterward take care of advances in a solitary square. AAVE's Glimmer credits are one of its top loaning items. Users can switch back and forth among fixed and variable financing costs, which empowers them to change their premium in accordance with the market. For instance, fixed rates can be valuable assuming the market is unpredictable, while variable financing costs can assist clients with capitalizing on cost changes in the event that a borrower accepts the resource they wish to get will before long fall in cost. Who is behind AAVE? Initially sent off under the name Ethland in 2017, the stage was rebranded to AAVE, and that signifies apparition in Finnish in September 2018. The name change was important for a transition to extend past loaning administrations that were only accessible on Ethereum. The AAVE protocol has a decentralized independent association, DAO, called AAVE Governance. This administration model permits individuals who hold AAVE tokens to decide on arrangements. This can then influence how AAVE creates later on a specialized level, yet in addition on how it works as a help. You can figure out additional about AAVE from their site and their white paper. Ensure you read V2, the later form. Who uses AAVE? As per Brilliant Agreement information, there are somewhat in excess of 300,000 AAVE holders across Ethereum, Polygon, Phantom, Avalanche, Gnosis Chain, Solana, the Binance Smart Chain, Sora, and the Hiko chain. However, remember that a few clients might possess AAVE on more than one chain. As indicated by DeFi Pulse, AAVE is the third biggest DeFi project on the planet after Curve Finance and Maker, and the second biggest loaning stage after Maker. AAVE is likewise the biggest multi-chain DeFi digital currency in a market where practically any remaining DeFi coins depend entirely on the Ethereum blockchain. Specialized analysis of AAVEs, AAVE price movements. AAVE was first acquainted with the market on the 29th of November 2017 at 27,500 lend, previous ticker image equals 1eth. As a result of the rebranding from loan to AAVE, it is difficult to follow AAVE's earliest known cost. CoinGecko proposes that it was $26.02, which AAVE hit on the 5th of November 2020. However, given its minute ICO value, its untouched low is likely much lower. In 2021, AAVE began the year at $90.35 and finished it at $255.11. AAVE has a 52-week low of $113 and arrived at its untouched high of $666.86 on the 18th of May 2021. AAVE price predictions. According to the most recent AAVE value expectation and gauge, AAVE will reach $384.87 toward the finish of 2022, ascending to $624.89 toward the finish of 2023 and $1,953.92 in 2025. The coin will then ascend to $2,808.21 in 2027 and $4,538.45 in 2030. Our AAVE value expectations are educated by a few key elements. Give close consideration to them throughout the following couple of years. Market interest is an immense variable that influences the cost of AAVE and most other cryptographic forms of money, less so with cryptos that don't have a covered stock. Whenever request surpasses supply, the cost of AAVE will increment, and when the inverse occurs, AAVE will diminish. Market interest connect with a few sub-factors, some of which are referenced underneath. Without a doubt, the cost of Bitcoin influences AAVE. Since Bitcoin was the first, greatest, and most renowned crypto, the greater part of individuals who will put resources into computerized resources at all have put resources into Bitcoin. This implies that when trust in BTC rises or falls, it has a far-reaching influence that is felt all through the market. For instance, when Elon Musk declared that Tesla would never again acknowledge BTC installments because of the ecological effect of digital money mining, it made the worth of Bitcoin lose huge number of dollars short term. In accordance with this, the cost of other cryptos fell as well. AAVE dove to its most minimal cost since January 2021, directly following the declaration, in which Musk said, "Digital currency is smart on many levels, and we accept it has a promising future, yet this can't come at an extraordinary expense for the climate." Somewhere else, guideline isn't just a worry to the more extensive cryptographic money market, yet the administrations that AAVE offers will draw under nearer examination in the future, as lawmakers banter how DeFi administrations ought to be directed. In the most dire outcome imaginable, they really might be prohibited or sued.